Join me for our next shop time build. In this one, we'll be building a deluxe sliding table router table. Now, I've used a lot of router tables in the shop, and I've combined all of the features I love best about all of the router tables. First of all, it's on heavy-duty casters. It's mobile, you can move it wherever you need to in the shop. After that, it's got tons and tons of storage. We've got 2 full-depth drawers and then 2 half-depth drawers. So you always have what you need where you need them. We may even need to buy more router bits just to fill this guy up. It also has a huge top. It's 32 inches wide, 25 inches deep. We've laminated the top. Tons of T-track space for hold downs and auxiliary accessories. And on the fence as well, we've got a laminated face, T-track, and then what's this? Through the fence, dust collection. It also incorporates a router lift with above the table adjustment, so you never need to go inside the cabinet. But the coolest thing about this router table is the sliding table. I first used a router table with a sliding table a couple of years ago, and it totally transformed how I make my rails and stiles and deal with big pieces. It's perfect for door making and any of those other repetitive tasks that you need to cross-cut against a router bit. So join me in our next shop time build. Not only will we give you the complete plans with step-by-step illustrations, but we'll be giving you a new video every week, and there'll be an opportunity for a live check-in with me, the editor of Popular Woodworking, once a week as well. So join us for the super deluxe router table build with the sliding table. It's gonna be awesome, and we'll see you in the shop.